Here I have Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to go to camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then select swipe shutter button 2 and select take burst shot. And now when you swipe shutter button down like this, it will take the burst shot, but first let's take our phone, swipe, and after that the burst shot will be taken. So as you can see right now I took 25 shots, and here we can view them. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.